Hello guys, welcome to Quick Solution. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add 1-minute video story on Instagram without splitting. So the first thing you'll have to do is open your app store and search for Instagram, and you'll have to make sure that your application is up to date. And if instead of this open button you will see the update button, just go forward and update your application first. And after that we are going to open the Instagram application. Okay, and then I'm just going forward to add the story. So basically there is no other thing that you have to do than add the story. If you have the application update, you'll just have to add the video to your story. So I'm just going forward to select my video from my gallery. So as you can see right here, this is my 60-second video right here, and I can add this to my story and this will not be split. So all you have to do is just update the application, because this is the new feature from Instagram, and after you do that you would be able to add 1-minute video stories on Instagram without them splitting. So this is all for today guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.